Hello everyone, and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today I'm bringing you an exterior and interior overview of this 2019 Pininfarina Battista from the 2019 Geneva Motorshow. Named after the original founder of Pininfarina, Battista Pinin, each car is priced at over $2 million and only 150 cars will be built. They are formed from a lightweight and rigid carbon fibre construction and powered by motors and batteries from Rimac that can actually be found in Rimac's C2 electric hypercar. Despite this, the dynamics and performance of the Battista have been engineered by Pininfarina for this specific car, plus the body is designed and made by the legendary Italian coach builder. Just as in the Rimac, power comes from individual motors on each wheel and a large floor-mounted battery pack to ensure a low centre of gravity. This powertrain produces 1900 brake horsepower and 2300 Nm of torque, the highest figures of any Italian car manufacturer. This is said to result in a sub 2 second 0 to 62 mph time and a potential top speed of over 250 mph, although 218 mph has been quoted. A benefit of this being an all-electric car is that it produces zero emissions, but a usual issue is range. However, the Battista is said to have a range of over 300 miles, with the ability to charge from 0 to 80% in less than 45 minutes. Now looking at individual details, the Battista runs on front and rear 21-inch multi-spoke lightweight wheels. At the front, we find this wide gaping mouth to ensure cooling for the batteries and send air through the S duct in the bonnet and then over the car. There's a Pininfarina plaque below the lateral air intakes that presumably also aid brake cooling. Moving up, we find the company logo above a further slim vent and below the large LED light strip that runs along the front. On either side of this, we find these LED headlights surrounded by gloss carbon and further venting. Moving along, we find the wing mirrors out on stalks with integrated lateral indicators. Below, the carbon side skirts run into these small vents that may also act to cool the rear brakes. The sharp body line above runs along to a small wing and further venting until it curves around and reaches the end of the car. I used another car I had on display to show the rear wing in its down position. It can also be lifted up and tilted forward as seen here for increased and adaptable rear downforce and aero braking. Under this, we find the long LED strip brake lights that allow air to flow out underneath. The rear below is a carbon-clad area with a large rear-width diffuser at the bottom. The interior space is designed around the driver, with the carbon steering wheel, two large side screens and a smaller central screen. These show performance data and allow the driver to make changes to the car's setup in addition to the usual sat-nav and media options. The drive mode can be changed using the central aluminium scroller, here displaying D for drive, with additional controls and speakers along the doors. The interior space has been designed in a dual tone here to really showcase the different driver zones and the different styling choices. So that concludes my exterior and interior overview of this 2019 Pininfarina Battista. Please subscribe for the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.